remember my Grandpa Max telling my dad in a thick accent when I was 10 years old, "As much as Michael argues, he should be a lawyer." While it was not meant as a compliment, it made good sense to me. Why not apply this trait to a profession? I was destined to be a litigator. My dream was to argue matters in court before a judge and 12 strangers sitting in a jury box. I was born and raised in a diverse area on the south side of Chicago. My family owned and operated a grocery and liquor store in the Maxwell Street market area for many years. When my father was in his mid-40s, he struck out on his own with no college education, no business training, and no relevant experience. Dad started a one-man import-export business, Strom International Limited, which primarily made inflatable advertising displays. He learned as he went. He often traveled to Asia to check product manufacturing facilities. While he didn't discuss his business much, my father taught me a valuable lesson about the power of entrepreneurs' passion to overcome obstacles and achieve goals. Helping businesses overcome legal obstacles and challenges is what my colleagues and I do best. From the first interaction, my clients find that I'm approachable, empathetic, and that I care about what is important to them. As their trusted advisor, I share my clients' concerns about the impacts of litigation to their business operations, personal and professional relationships, finances, as well as the amount of time and stress involved. That's why I make every effort to educate and inform my clients as we work together to navigate their legal options and decisions. The value I provide to clients comes from my understanding and appreciation for diverse views and from serving on both sides of the courtroom bench as a litigation attorney and as a circuit court judge in Cook County. My experience in the judicial branch provides valuable insight and perspective on how judges and juries react to evidence, arguments, and common mistakes attorneys make. This insight helps me effectively connect with clients, jurors, and witnesses, anticipate and address the sudden turns, trials, and avoid the blind spots attorneys can have. I regularly defend businesses and individuals in challenging and complex civil litigation cases, some with millions of dollars at stake. In my 35 years of litigation experience, I've handled a range of matters involving construction, industrial fabrication, and product liability, some with catastrophic injuries, including death, paralysis, and dismemberment, and with property damage resulting from building failures allegedly due to errors in construction or design. I've been retained to represent project owners, developers, architects, engineers, general contractors, subcontractors, manufacturers, parts suppliers, distributors, retail sellers, and end users. I've also defended truck drivers and trucking companies. Construction and industrial accident cases can be extremely complex, with multiple parties involved and various liability theories among the parties. Issues related to partial settlements by individual defendants or obligations to provide additional insured coverage for other parties can suddenly change the alignment of interests in a lawsuit, sometimes in the middle of trial. The most effective way to avoid costly errors and surprises during trial is to fully understand all sides of the case. In my opinion, a trial attorney who is unable to effectively present all sides of a case is not adequately prepared to represent any side. Despite my love of trials, most cases warrant less costly paths to resolution through motions or negotiation. I have extensive experience in resolving cases through non-binding mediation, where liability and damages issues are clear, but the case is still a long way from trial. Over a 20-year period, more than 90% of all my cases in which mediation was used were settled promptly, saving my clients considerable time, stress, and expense. Whether your business requires representation in a civil trial or seeks to achieve resolution outside of the courtroom, My colleagues and I are here to assist you.